Hey guys, Na here. Today I'm making braised pork ribs. See, it's one of my favorite dishes and it's so easy and just takes a bit of love and attention, and trust me, you have an amazing dish. First of all, you want to take off the membrane that covers your pork ribs, and this allows the spices to really penetrate the ribs whilst it's cooking. So I really advise that you do that. It's a very thin white membrane and you can easily slice it off with a knife or using your fingers. Honestly, I would choose ribs over pork shoulder any day. The bones, as you see them, my goodness, when they are done cooking, trust me, the flavor, oh my gosh, it makes it so flavorful and juicy and everything. You know, the bones are really very special. So just take your time and trust me, at the end of it, you'll be glad you did. So you're going to slice through the ribs to separate them up and then chop them up into little pieces. Any size you want. Next, you're going to prepare your blanching liquid. So a bit of ginger, minced ginger, and some chopped spring onions with a little bit of salt. And you're going to add your ribs into this hot water and let it simmer probably about 10-15 minutes until it's all the blood has drained out, right? So as you can see, there's no sign of blood anywhere. So we'll take it out and set it aside. Next, you're going to add a spoonful of brown sugar with a little bit of oil. Let that cook in and add your meat. So as the meat cooks, the sugar is going to caramelize very nicely. Allow the meat to brown. I love this color. By now your kitchen will be smelling amazing. Add a bit of chopped garlic and fresh red pepper, cayenne pepper, or your favorite pepper. Now you want to add just about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and enough water to cover the ribs. Then my favorite spices, star anise and bay leaves. So you add this in with a dash of dark soy sauce this time to give it a nice brown color. Squeeze in half lime for some sourness to balance with the sweetness. And after 30 minutes, you remove the lid and allow the moisture and all the liquid to evaporate gently and to cook with the meat to build more flavor. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, yum. And honestly, that's it. What would you enjoy these ribs with? I love ribs with rice, like simple plain rice, you know, so I can enjoy the actual flavor of the meat. Nothing complicated, so simple yet amazing. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and ask any question you want in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.